10S Helmet Clamp Kit from Sena is made of high-quality materials. Sena is the global leader in Bluetooth innovation for the motorsports, action sports and outdoor sports lifestyles, enabling real-time communication and optimal performance in the thick of the action. Sena 10S Helmet Clamp Kit, sold as a kit. Top reviews from the United States. Good kit. I had the 10s on another helmet. Got a new one and wanted just the mounting hardware for the new helmet. Installed pretty easily, had to watch a Sena YouTube video for best mounting procedure for my modular helmet but had plenty of parts and adjustments for the speakers. Would buy again if I needed to. Had to put 1 star for battery life since this kit doesn't contain any battery parts.